How to withdraw on Bybit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can withdraw on Bybit. Now, if you're on the mobile application, I'll just show you right here, but the process itself is similar if you are doing it on your PC as well. Now, first things first, you want to open a Bybit application or you want to head over to your Bybit account. Once on your account here, now on the home page here, you can see various options at the bottom right: home page, markets, derivatives, trade, and assets. You want to head over to the assets option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Under assets, now here you can see their option that says withdraw. So you want to simply tap on withdraw, and now you'll have to go through the certain prompts and then you can select to withdraw. So this way, or through this option, you'll be able to withdraw on Bybit application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.